Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to search photos in Google Photos step by step. Google Photos includes a powerful search feature that helps you quickly find the pictures you're looking for without scrolling through your entire photo library. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, click the search option. At the top of the page, you'll see the search box. Click inside it and type a keyword related to the photo you're looking for. For example, you can search for things like beach, car, cat, dog, flowers, or even a specific date if you remember when the photo was taken. Google Photos will instantly display matching photos from your library. Click on any photo to open it in full size. If you want to search for something else, simply go back to the search box, enter another keyword, and view the new results. You can also search by location, date, or other information if it's available in your photo library. The search feature makes it much easier to find old memories without manually browsing through hundreds or even thousands of photos, and that's how you can easily search photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.